I am gathering evidence for a criminology paper. My hypothesis is that areas where people don't have access to mental health care generally see higher imprisonment rates. I've come to Sage Stats for data to support my research. I immediately go to the search bar and type in imprisonment rates. From the search results, I select the State Prisoner Imprisonment Rate State data series. On the data series landing page, I see that the source for this data series is the Department of Justice, and that the national imprisonment rate is 412 for every 100,000 people. When I hover over different states, I can see a wide range of imprisonment rates at the state level. I notice that the southern United States, as a region, has particularly high imprisonment rates. So far, this is the data I want, but I need to know if there's a correlation between this data and mental health care availability. So I move up to the Compare tab and click on the Scatter Plot Comparison option. I type mental health into the Choose Additional Data Series bar and select the percent of population lacking access to mental health care state data series. When the comparison loads, I can see that it supports my argument. States where more people have access to mental health care tend to have a lower imprisonment rate. I can hover over the bullets to see more about specific states within the image. I notice a few outliers, Utah, Louisiana, and Oklahoma, and make a note to research why they don't fit the pattern. I move to the table option, where I can see all the data from both data series. I can filter the data demographically and geographically. I narrow my results to the southern region of the U.S., which I can see has both overall higher percentages of people lacking access to mental health care and higher imprisonment rates. Now it's time to save my research. I'll click on the Cite Now feature and export the citation for this data series to my citation manager. I can also download the scatterplot image my comparison generated. Then I can save the data to the Export Center and download the data I saved. Now I have the raw data available to me for further research in Excel, images to use as evidence in my paper, and a citation to list on my Works Cited page.